Hey DIY enthusiasts, welcome back to my kitchen faucet channel. If you're dealing with a leaky Moen faucet or planning to replace the cartridge, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to identify the right Moen faucet cartridge for your model. Let's get started. Step 1. Gather information. Before diving into identifying the cartridge, gather some essential information about your Moen faucet. 1. Model number. Look for the model number on the faucet's base or handle. It is often a combination of letters and numbers. Write this down as it will be crucial in your identification process. 2. Year of manufacture. The year of manufacture can help narrow down the potential cartridge options, as Moen may change cartridges over time. 3. Faucet type. Note whether your faucet is a single handle or double handle, as this will affect the type of cartridge you need. Step 2. Use Moen's online resources. Moen provides a helpful online tool that can assist you in identifying your faucet cartridge. Here's how to use it. 1. Go to the Moen website, www.moen.com. 2. Navigate to the support or customer support section. 3. Look for the Find Your Product or Cartridge Identification Tool option. 4. Enter the model number and other relevant information you collected earlier. 5. The tool should provide you with information about your faucet and the compatible cartridge. Step 3. Visual inspection. If you can't find the model number or the online tool doesn't yield results, you can visually inspect your faucet and cartridge to identify it manually. 1. Remove the handle. Use a screwdriver or an Allen wrench to remove the handle from the faucet. The handle is usually attached with a screw under a decorative cap. 2. Inspect the cartridge. Look for a plastic or brass cartridge inside the faucet body. Pay attention to any markings, numbers, or labels on the cartridge. Write down any information you find. 3. Measure the cartridge. Measure the cartridge's length and diameter, as these measurements can be helpful in identifying it. 4. Photograph the cartridge. Taking clear photos of the cartridge from different angles can be useful for identifying it later, especially if you need to consult with a Moen representative or visit a hardware store. Step 4. Visit a Moen retailer. If you're still unsure about the cartridge after using the online tool and conducting a visual inspection, consider visiting a Moen retailer. Many home improvement stores carry a variety of Moen faucet cartridges. Take your cartridge, if possible, the faucet model information, and any photos or measurements you've gathered with you. The staff at the store can help you identify the correct cartridge or recommend a suitable replacement. Step 5. Contact Moen customer support. If all else fails, don't hesitate to reach out to Moen's customer support. They have a team of experts who can assist you in identifying the correct cartridge for your faucet. Be prepared to provide them with all the information you've collected, including model numbers, photos, and measurements. And that's it. Now you know how to identify your Moen faucet cartridge quickly and easily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. See you next time.